Let me remind you guys for number 35, something called the plumber's butt crack. Okay, so this right here is the plumber's butt crack. You got the number of things. That's a number sign. That's a number of things, the average, and then if you multiply these things, you get the total. Vice versa, if you have the total and you only have the average, you would divide to get the number, or vice versa here to get the average. Okay, it says an online store receives customer satisfaction ratings between 0 and 100, inclusive. In the first 10 ratings, the store received an average of the ratings was 75. Okay, so they're giving us our first numbers. They're saying the average was 75. And for how many? For 10. So we know that the first 10 totaled up to 750 for the whole score. What is the least value the store can receive for the 11th rating and still be able to have an average of at least 85 for the first 20 ratings? Okay, so now they're giving us a total of 20. They're saying that there's going to be 20 ratings total, okay? And out of the total 20 ratings, they want to get at least an 85. So if you were to multiply that, 20 times 85 is 1700, okay? So this is going to be the total ratings. There's going to be 20 total ratings. We know that out of the 20, 10 of them got 75 and have 750. Okay, so if you want to know about 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20, I'm just going to write those out. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. We want to know what is the lowest score that we could get for the 11th rating. Okay, so how you do this is, we know that there's 20 ratings total, and the averaged out to 85, that equals 1700. Out of that 1700, we know that 750 was already used for 10 of them. So really, if you go 1700 minus 750, you get 950. Do you guys get that? So we know that for 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and the 20th score, it's going to be a sum of 950. But if we want to find out what is the 11th score and they want to know what is the lowest that it could be, we need to put the highest score for these. Do you guys understand that concept? And again, this is another concept that the SAT loves to test you on. I'm going to give an example. Okay, let's say there's 20 of you guys in here, and we're going to give Jalen a gift card for his birthday. Okay, so if I were to do that and I were to say, what is the, if we're giving $21, or let's say $100, what is the least amount that I could pay? Well, if I want to find out what's the least amount I could pay, I'm going to say $1. Okay, that means, do you guys understand that you would have to max out on how much you guys would have to pay then so that I could give the least? Okay, so that's what we're going to do here. What is the max amount of points that each rating could get? 100. So for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 of these ratings, I'm going to give it a 100. Okay, that's how I can max out on how many they have to find out what's the least one they could have. So I'm going to take this 900, subtract it from here, and then I get 50 left. 50 is the lowest score that number 11 could be. In order to get the lowest score, it's got to be 50 because I max out for the rest of these by giving them a 100.